Let's take a dive into this 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible. The Cutlass Supreme nameplate spans over 5 generations between 1966 and 1997. This 71 model falls under the second generation between 1968 through 1972. Built on the A-body platform, lineup included a two-door hardtop, also called Holiday Coupe, two-door pillared coupe, also called Sport Coupe, four-door pillared sedan, also called Town Sedan, which eventually be switched to Holiday Sedan, and of course the convertible like this beautiful 1971 example. In 1970, the two-door hardtop got a new notchback roofline, while the lower trim Cutlass models had a fastback style. They shared front and rear body parts with each other, but the Supreme models had a more luxurious interior than the other models. Available with both bench or bucket seats, with the optional center console with famous Hurst dual gate shifter that was found on the 442 models. The 70 and 71 Cutlass Supreme Coupe and convertible was available with a special SX option package, RPO code being Y79. They came with a few versions of the big block 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 found in the Olds 442 with a optional 442 rally suspension and SX badges. In 1972, a Hurst Olds was used as the official pace car at the Indianapolis 500 that was based off the Cutlass Supreme. This would be the last year for the convertible on the A-body platform and was the best-selling convertible in the U.S. Let's start her up and see how she sounds, guys.